What's up, y'all? Another catch a cook video. We're going for snappers. The limit is 5 a person, so that's what we're going for. I'm about to make a little Caribbean recipe, so I hope y'all enjoy. Enjoy the video. Yo, bro, how many snappers we got in total today? About like 10? Let me fillet the snapper. We're gonna start here, very, very slowly. Don't puncture the stomach, and back here. Then you're gonna cook with the empty stomach, and we clean out the rest right after with the spoon, and it's a clean snapper. So sorry, I forgot to record everything, guys, but we got some Caribbean snapper, homemade peach salsa with we got the mackerel on the side, 2 whole snappers, some sheep's head. So we got the salsa on top with all the different seasonings. All right, guys. Ooh, look at that. Let's put it on the plate now. Look at that. Look how tender that is. Falls off the bone. We're gonna have to scoop this guy up. Ooh. Look at that. Let's get the mackerel out. Alright, stop recording and just wait till Let's get the mackerel on the plate. Ooh, look at that, bro. It falls apart. And the rest of the meat, some sheep's head pieces. Look at that. That's snapper, mackerel, some sheep's head. I'm gonna stop recording and just record. So first, we're both gonna try the red snapper. You got yours ready? That's a fucking 10, bro.
Yeah, good 9 actually, good 9 out of 10.
And now we got the mackerel fillet going. A little meatier as a 9, but that's good. What do you give it?
Yeah, 9.
Solid 9 too, I give it.
9, yeah.
Yeah, that's the Caribbean snapper with the homemade salsa from the molcajete. You guys want the recipe? I'll put in the description. Yeah, overall, I think it's a 9.5 out of 10. What would you give the plate overall?
No, same 9.5 out of 10.
I say he thinks it's a 10 out of 10. Yeah, guys, that's the Caribbean snapper.